We are going to tell you 7 points in this video, by which you can identify a good and gentle person. 1. A good person respects every human being. 2. A good person stays away from negative people. 3. A good person does not talk bad behind someone's back. 4. A good person values his work and also his time. 5. A good person also helps everyone. 6. A good person will always try to prove you right. 7. A good person is always thinking of moving forward. So friends, I hope you like these things. Again, subscribe to the channel for such great information and facts.